Hey guys, so we have in a Ferrari in today. You guys remember this one? This is the one we did the crazy Rift exhaust system on, the one that's terrorizing all of Houston.
Oh my God!
The reason why it's in today is because we're going to be putting on new Vossen wheels. Show me the wheels, rah-rah.
Alright, check these babies out. Nice.
Very nice.
Yeah?
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the Novitec wheels. There's a collaboration between Vossen and Novitec. I've done an unboxing on this array, so in case you want to see that, go ahead and look at it. We sort of come to a place in time where almost every wheel company has a variation of the same spoke designs out there. If you're looking for a 5-spoke, every company's got one. But what's interesting is that if you were to line them all up, you'll gravitate towards one over all the others despite them essentially being the same wheel. So what makes one stand out over the others? It's all in the details. At its core, this is just an open 5-spoke design, but when you look closely, it's more than that. It's the way the spokes don't just come straight out to the edge, but they V out, making the Novitec wheel look broad and emphasizing concavity. The way all the edges on the sides of the spokes have this angle cut, which not only reduces useless weight, but when the light hits it, it adds depth to the satin black finish. The way the spokes taper to a sharp edge like the tip of a blade saves weight and looks super refined. Or even how the center has an aluminum plate to cover the 5 lug holes for a seamless, integrated look. These definitely don't seem like much on their own, but combined, they all make this wheel truly stand out from the rest of the crowd.